So hi guys, welcome to this week's Take a Look Tuesday. It's a chance to invite you into my studio space to share what projects I'm in the middle of and to show you around. And today I'm at my college, Anglia Ruskin University, Cambridge School of Art, because things are moving on and I'm needing to bring things in ready for my installation, which is in 3 weeks' time is when I have to actually put it all together. Firstly, I want to say a huge thank you for everyone who has donated to my fundraising for this installation, all the materials and everything. I'm so overwhelmed by your support, and it's just wonderful to partner with you in this exciting thing, really. And so, yeah, thanks so much for that. So let me turn the camera around and show you in this. This is my individual studio space. Last week I showed you my daughter's bedroom. She's back from uni now and needed the space for all her stuff, so I've had to move a number of things. A lot of them are hanging ones that actually don't store very well because they're quite bendy. If they're on the floor, they sort of dent. So that's one of the reasons they're hanging up there at the moment. They will have seeds inside them. This is just for storage. So yeah, lots and lots of black pods, furry ones, metal ones, plaster ones, ones made with glue, ones with ceramics, wood, curtain rings, all sorts of bits and pieces. This is one I did with wood last Monday. So today I've been starting to look at how to construct my installation. So I've got these are the 3 scaffolding poles that I'm going to pods on, and these are the MDF bases that are going to stabilise the whole thing so it doesn't fall over. And I have bought this. I'll show you in a minute. I've been mixing cement, which is creating the feet for the big tent to weigh it down so it doesn't, when it's suspended and stretched, it's not going to lift off the floor, is the plan. So this is my cement. I'm rather excited. I've not mixed cement before, so I've made, this one has broken, but I'm hoping it's good enough. So yeah, they're in buckets. These are going to be the feet of the tent. They're going to be weighing it down, and I'll see how long it takes for it to set. But that is my new thing that I've learnt how to do today. Now, I heard last week that I have the space that I've been dreaming of, that I've been designing this installation for. I've been given the green light to use that as my installation space, which is the gallery, which is just outside this door. So let me show you the space that I'm going to be constructing my tent and my pods and everything. At the moment, all the windows are being replaced, and next week the floor is being done. But let me show you what it looks like at the moment. So this is the gallery space, Ruskin Gallery, and this is where I'm going to be exhibiting. So at the moment the windows are being replaced, which has actually proved to be really helpful because they've put some string, I don't know whether you can see the string, hanging down for me because I'm going to be hanging things over there, and I wasn't going to be able to access that, but because of the scaffolding I suddenly thought, I could that'd be quite useful. So my tent is going to go here in the corner, stretched up to the balcony, and to the light rig there, and then I'm going to have hanging pods, and I'm going to have totem pole like pods as well around there. So yeah, it's a great space, and I'm really excited about it. There's 3 weeks left until the actual installation week, but because my work is so big, people are going to need to work around it. I've been asked to install as soon as I can. So once the windows are finished and the floor has been varnished, then I'm installing my tent. And so this week I've been doing all the calculations of what it's all going to weigh, what type of cables I need to use, suspension, tension, locks, things I didn't even know existed until yesterday. Yeah, so all that construction, sort of making this function, making it safe and secure, is happening this week, and then I'm back to finishing the pods and the seeds and yeah, and bringing it all together, which is really exciting. So anyway, I hope you're having a good day, and I'll check in again with you this time next week. I'm not sure where I'll be and what I'll be doing, but I'll have done quite a bit more, I imagine, and have some more stuff to show you and feedback. All right, take care. Thanks for joining me. Bye.